Hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing about the topic interview process overview round by round. So like if you are a fresher, if you are new to the interview pattern, so in this video we will be discussing like what all rounds will be there and how you should be prepared and what all you should expect in that interview. So before entering into the video, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. So for freshers medical coding job in India and UAE, the first round will be written test, that is assessment round. So you'll be having MCQs and case-based questions. Duration will be 30 to 45 minutes, which includes ICD, medical terminology, anatomy, real-time diagnosis, coding scenarios. For this, you can practice sample tests from CPC mock, or you can choose a interview material from us. And second round is technical interview. So once you clear this first round, you will be moved to the second round. So the mode can be video call or in person. So the topic covered, they will be mostly asking you about the ICD guidelines, how to the code selection based on diabetes, hypertension, pregnancy, neoplasm, and coding scenarios, basic CPT and HCPCS knowledge. And if you clear the technical round, then you will be moved to the third round, that is HR round, which is the final round. Here the focus of area will be the communication and confidence and your career goals, as well as the salary expectation, the shift timing, willingness to relocate, work from office, everything will be discussed. Here you should be very honest, positive and professional. Show interest in long term growth. In most of the cases, they will be telling you about the bond. Understand, for all the companies they have bond, so you should expect that. And if you are interested in more medical coding tips, don't forget to subscribe, so that you can check our playlist. You will get a proper idea of detailed content about medical coding. And if you have any queries, you can just WhatsApp me in this number. And what to say, like if you need any information about medical coding, like regarding any topics about medical coding, you can just put it as a comment, so that I can make a video and it can be discussed. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye bye.